Make I first talk about your liver.
Ewo.
Your liver. Most people go tell you say you get mind, you get liver. Yes, so you get liver. So I want to tell you something about the liver. Where most people don't know. Whether they allow them, whether they deceive them, they lie give you.
Try.
Number one be say your liver, now organ. And now after your skin be the largest in the body. Then your liver na the second biggest organ. Solid organ. For the solid organ, your liver na the biggest solid organ. But after your skin, then be your liver. Now your liver they do plenty things for your body where you don't know. Plenty things they help you. But one thing I want first talk again be say some people liver go they damage small. The liver feel produce itself again. So the liver feel regenerates. We go talk say if small injury do your liver feel grow back, cover that thing. Grow back.
Now self-healing.
Yes, they regenerate. Now your liver get plenty function for your body. Number one be say your liver they help you store vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E, K, B12. That one now one. Your liver they help your body break down fats. You know fats now way they chop and it go help you break them. Then your liver they help you filter your blood. They help you detoxify. Detoxify. I dey hammer that word. Your liver now they help you with waiting detoxification. Because you go here, I want to detoxify my body. I want to detoxify my body. As if say your liver don't die. As long as your liver is functioning, your liver they can't pay that work of detoxification. Your liver now they help you do them. It they help you filter your blood. So if you carry yama chop inside your body, your liver, as the blood they pass through liver, your liver they help you commot am. If you take medicine, any medicine where you take for mouth swallow, it go pass your liver. Your liver go help you break them down.
That be the mail show the bus stop for your body.
Yes, now
every road leads to the liver.
It go pass there. Then some people again be say if they can't carry infection, it inside their blood. Sometimes liver feel help them fight them.
For real.
Yes, it go help them stop that infection. Your liver again, it they help you with energy. So if you chop too much food, your liver go help you convert all those your eba, your rice, go help you convert them, go keep them to glycogen. So that tomorrow, if you need them and you never chop.
So liver na inverter. Jesus.
I like this one. This one enter. Liver is an inverter.
As I be work. That make God they pay me money. I dey try.
Now, so your liver does that. Your liver they help you again with your hormones in the body. Many things they where your liver they help you do where you don't even know. And the most important thing where I work on talk this morning now concerning that detoxification. I want to give me detoxification drink. Make I drink. It will help me. You get me flush inside my system.
Madam, make some for me.
That way they talk. Now waiting now.
Nyanyampo.
Nyanyama you they talk because your liver now be the main detoxification. They come on nyama and it they help you filter your blood. So no be say you go talk say I want to wash my blood. I want to clean my blood. No, not that.
So that's not the work.
Wait in the work.
No, because I thought they used to when me say in fact they get the way they explain that to me. They say people will be say well wash their liver, clean their bloodstream, want detoxify. They be like where be say they bring out the engine oil where do they cast inside your motor, so you can remove it and put it back again with brand new one, and the motor engine go work.
The God will create your body. No say one time go come where you go need to clean your body. Now he put something inside your body.
Angle.
Unless say your liver don't pafuka, you know they feel work well.
Okay.
Your kidney, no they feel work well.
Okay.
They could come help you. No na dialysis. Person go on top machine. Go come help and clean the blood. That's one different. But say you go sit down. I go take this thing make it help me clean my blood. No, it no day. Now say make I first touch this particular one. Before I'll come tell you again. Say okay, how to protect your liver, because many people now they kill their liver and they don't know.
My question is concerning the liver, as you said, doctor. So you mean that taking like food supplements Like as this liver is doing all this work to make it to strengthen the liver, is it not advisable? Then about detoxification,
Yes.
if for somebody to flush his or her stomach, does it affect liver?
What about those shops and all those online people when they sell liver detoxification tea? Does it really work? Stephen from Ojo.
Stephen, God go bless you for this question. As you now you put am for their mouth, they talk am, no be me talk am. That thing na scam.
Chai.
That thing na scam.
Doctor, you not even put water for mouth.
I know you want put my na scam.
Me, I don't almost fall for am.
All those detoxification. Now so somebody meet me for clinic. Which time? He say, doctor, I don dey purge for 2 weeks. Wetin happen? Again, what I buy for Instagram. They say if I drink am, it go help me purge for 2 weeks. This person don weak, get power, don tire.
All those guys when they want want reduce weight.
If na me give you medicine now, you go say this doctor no sabi work.
But
2 weeks you dey purge, and you happy. That thing na scam. They chop your money. They chop your money.
One person show here say, what if person not dey take water? If they damage liver, then na one person. Another person say, I dey take lemon every morning. I be make which other fruit I fit take when I fit take detoxify my system.
The first one, if you if you know they take water,
we get 60 seconds.
This one now your kidney you want damage. You want just kill your kidney. Then fruits they help detoxify your liver. They just help your body get all those nutrients where your body need, and your liver go dey very happy if you take fruits. So no substitute detoxification. That one na liver job. Every other thing wey they do na to support wetin the liver they do. Wetin be those things wey fit make your liver carry problem? You don't know say. Number one, because I want to touch them again before they go talk say I don't come back. People wey they take alcohol fit make your liver swell up, fit give you problem with your liver.
Too much alcohol, I've been alcohol.
I know where you want carry me go.
Not too much alcohol.
You no go carry me go where I no know.
No,
you no go carry me go where I no know. No. So people where they really abuse alcohol. Okay, more talk like this. People where they abuse alcohol. Alcohol fit give your liver problem. And then people where they chop fatty food anyhow. They chop fatty food. If I mention it now, they go to say this guy don't come again. Burger won't finish you. Shawarma won't finish you. Even suya won't finish you. All those fatty food, they chop them. All those things will spoil your liver. And that thing again, if you also
tonzo they spoil liver now, doctor, stop it. Doctor, you cannot tell me that my tonzo, my 500 naira tonzo I dey manage. You want spoil liver?
No worry. Shame na liver matter be there so. Then some infections, yes, viral infections, fit attack your liver, and when they enter your liver like this, if you no handle them well, if you make your liver big, and then some other medical problems again. When they hold your liver will come swell up. You can't hear say when you go do scan, you say your liver is large. Your liver is large. You say wetin happen? Why is my liver big? And village people, no be village people.
This one come you say doctor not drinking water they damage liver. Now show they have this one.
I want to know about the liver when doctor they talk so because he touched me. Sometimes I dey take something like lime. So I will just miss out water, drink am. I don't know whether it's bad.
Okay. Thank you, Mommy Rachel.
To you. Yes, I know say people they put lime for water, drink. Some go they do them in the morning. Say whenever they wake up in the morning, they take lime with water, drink. Lime. We get lime, we get lemon. No.
Yes, those two the days and even with cucumber.
Lime and lemon. I beg go. No say that lime sometimes they harsh.
Yeah.
But if you know say you fit tolerate them, I no go come tell you say make it throw them. Me now water I they drink every morning when I wake up. That one I feed one. So if you know say they give you problem and your body they okay with them, I beg make you continue. Then the question which she asked us before the first caller talk about your supplements and your liver.
Yes.
We get supplements we be say fit help your body. Those ones they, but no be say you they do want to help your liver. If you want help your liver, things they where you go do and your liver go they very very okay go they work for you.
Please, I want to ask also like that woman asked. I do take food supplement. Like when I go to America, I buy them a packet of omega.
Okay.
Yesterday, then I buy this Centrum for men above 50 years. I do take them in the morning after food. They say I should take it with meals. So I don't know whether it has any side effect.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. What we always advise you be say whenever you dey take all these supplements, make sure say your doctor know. Sometimes we no go tell you make you stop. We go just know say your body be like this, you be like this, you dey this age, you get this problem, no worry, take am. After, come back, make we check you. But it dey very important as you dey take whatever supplements, make you know they take am and your doctor no. Not just believe say because you see am for market, I just buy am.
I want celebrity hola.
No let anybody scam you. Your doctor go tell you say, oh yeah, continue, take it, but take am for this time, stop. Do you understand? Good. The one way you dey take is okay, but no leave your doctor out of am.
This liver issue get age range when they affect.
No, we know so we get different liver problem.
Yes.
Okay. Different liver problems.
Yes, sir.
It gets some way they common. You go see some for young people. It gets some way you no go see for babies.
Okay.
It gets some you go see for elderly people. Do you understand? So different, and there are so many of them.
And they curable.
Depending on the cause, some they manageable, some they treatable.
Okay, this one coming John from Ilupeju, because you wanna say this liver when you talk, I get liver problem, which na hepatitis B. Let me say set me up.
Okay.
It they curable because I dey feel pain a lot of times, and sometimes I dey feel relief when I take my medication. Is this curable?
You see that last sentence where you tell us say sometimes I dey feel relief. If
when you take medication,
when you take, meaning say it get when it go can't stop, abi.
Yes.
The way the sentence be,
yes.
be like say get when it stop.
Not the religion.
Now reactive medication, not proactive.
Correct. So if you get hepatitis B, number one, you go take the medication, they go like that. No permanent cure for now. Though hepatitis C get cured, if you manage them, if you treat them. But I beg you, if your doctor say make you take this medicine, no take am today, can't stop tomorrow because it don't leave you.
Yes. Complete the dose.
Now their problem go dey continue as then say make you take am.
Oh.
Okay. No go say I get hepatitis B. It don't relieve me.
Make I lock up.
And make I stop.
When the pain
you can't go back. No, very bad. I beg.
Okay.
For some people in the beginning, you no go even get any symptom, but your liver they spoil, they go. Yes. So no be say because you no get symptom, the liver is fine. Some people don't spoil their liver, but the liver still get odeshi. It go they help you.
Now coconut head liver.
It go they help you, but you go think say everything they okay. Now lie, you know they okay. The other symptom be say fever fit dey there, body pain fit dey there, loss of appetite. You can't be like say you want vomit. Later, you can't be like you can't see your urine feel dark, your poop fit change color, your eye feel yellow, your skin feel yellow. You don't understand? Skin if you can't even they scratch you. All this thing.
One join that one.
Body itching.
This liver issue get age range when they affect.
No, we know so we get different liver problem.
Yes.
Different liver problems.
Yes, sir.
It gets some way they common. You go see some for young people. It gets some way you no go see for babies. It gets some you go see for elderly people. Do you understand? So different, and there are so many of them.
And they curable.
Depending on the cause, some they manageable, some they treatable.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmat.